Welcome back to Mr. English Pro, your daily English learning podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Pro. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sophia. We're so happy you're here. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your hobbies in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Don't worry if your English isn't perfect. We'll learn together using simple words and easy conversations.
Great. Let's begin with a simple question. What is your hobby? This is a very common question. People ask it when they want to know more about you. You can also hear, what do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing? All of these questions have almost the same meaning.
Let's answer with a simple sentence. My hobby is reading. Very easy. You can also say, I like reading books. I enjoy reading novels. I love reading before I go to bed. Notice the difference. I like, I enjoy, I love, all three are correct. Love is stronger than like.
Let's learn some common hobbies. Reading books, watching movies, listening to music, playing football, cooking, drawing, painting, photography, gardening, swimming, traveling, cycling, playing video games, learning English. Exercise, these are hobbies that millions of people enjoy.
Now let's make complete sentences. My hobby is cooking. I like cooking because it's relaxing. I enjoy trying new recipes. I usually cook on weekends. See, 4 simple sentences become a nice conversation.
Here's another example. My hobby is photography. I enjoy taking pictures of nature. I usually take photos in the evening. I share my pictures with my friends. Simple and natural.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. My hobby is reading. I like reading every day. It helps me learn new things. I usually read before bed. Excellent.
Let's imagine we're meeting for the first time. Hi, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. What's your hobby?
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you too. My hobby is painting. I enjoy painting beautiful landscapes. What about you?
My hobby is cycling. I usually ride my bicycle every Sunday morning. Cycling keeps me healthy and happy.
That's wonderful. Why do you like cycling?
Because it's fun. I can enjoy fresh air. I can exercise. I can visit new places.
That's a great answer. Notice that Alex gave a reason. Whenever someone asks about your hobby, try to explain why you like it. For example, I like music because it helps me relax. I enjoy cooking because it's creative. I love football because it's exciting. I like reading because I learn something new. Adding because makes your English sound more natural.
Let's learn useful vocabulary. Relaxing, interesting, fun, creative, exciting, healthy, peaceful, educational, useful, enjoyable. Try to use these words when talking about your hobbies. For example, my hobby is gardening. It's relaxing. It's peaceful. I enjoy spending time outside. Very easy.
Now let's listen to another conversation. Hello, Sophia. What do you usually do after work? I usually listen to music. Really? What kind of music do you like? I like pop music and soft piano music. How often do you listen to music? Every evening. It helps me relax after a busy day. That sounds nice. Yes, I really enjoy it.
Now it's your turn. I'll ask some questions. Answer them aloud. What's your hobby? Why do you like it? How often do you do it? Who do you do it with? When do you usually do it? Take your time and answer in English. Remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake helps you improve.
Here's a longer example. My hobby is learning English. I study English every day. I watch English videos. I read simple stories. I practice speaking with my friends. My dream is to speak English fluently. Isn't that a wonderful answer?
Here's another one. My hobby is playing football. I play with my friends every Saturday. We have a lot of fun. Football keeps me active. It also teaches teamwork. Excellent.
Many students ask, can I have more than one hobby? Of course, you can say, my hobbies are reading, cooking, and traveling. I enjoy all of them. Easy.
Let's learn some useful expressions. In my free time, most weekends, whenever I have time, every evening, after work, after school, these expressions make your speaking more natural. For example, in my free time, I like watching movies. After school, I play basketball. Most weekends, I go cycling. Very good.
Before we finish, here's today's speaking challenge. Tell us in English, what is your hobby? Why do you like it? How often do you do it? Write your answer in the comments using at least 4 complete sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is the key to becoming fluent.
You did an amazing job today. Every time you practice speaking English, you become more confident.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and never give up. Small daily practice leads to big improvement.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in the next English lesson.
Goodbye, and keep practicing English every day.